Hey everyone, welcome back to Learning Village. I hope you guys are doing good and staying safe. So guys, in the previous videos, I already told you that I'll be giving you some update regarding the popular coding challenge which is going on, and here I am. So if you watch my videos and follow my community posts, then I keep on sharing the details about amazing free master classes from Scalar Academy, which is taken by their founders and elite engineers of the country. So the upcoming free master classes which are going to happen in the weekends, those will be like understand the low level design behind the Paytm application, must know sorting techniques for the data structures algorithm by Googler, and how the encryption works in the WhatsApp application. This is going to be interesting. So for that, definitely link is in the description. Go and check that out and get yourself registered for those free amazing master classes. But this summer in the mid-April, Scalar Academy is going to organize a nationwide coding challenge exclusively for the software engineering professional with amazing rewards. Isn't it amazing? Wait, let me make it more interesting for you. There will be two categories for this event, and I will be explaining everything, every single information regarding the event, dates, rewards and the modes. That is going to be important, and I will explain everything about it. But before that, let me tell you a couple of things that how this coding challenge is different and how it is going to be beneficial for the working professional. Because this coding challenge is not like a typical coding challenge which you keep on solving on other platforms like the CodeChef, Codeforces and other platforms. It is different, completely different, where you will be having two modes, the competitive mode and the learning mode. In the competitive mode, definitely you will be competing with others in terms of the codings and other fundamentals as well. And in the learning mode, it is not like a competition. It is like you are just taking a part and you are trying to learn the things, because it is not necessary that everybody is really strong in the competitive part and they can solve all the questions. But if you feel something that you are making up your mind to take part in the competition, then that's how you can learn. There will be a good analysis report for you where you can see those gaps where you are lacking, and you can take the action plans accordingly. That's why this is completely different. It is dedicated towards your growth, your problem solving growth, and that's why it is going to be really beneficial for the working professional. Because once we get into the job, definitely we don't get enough time to just keep on working on the problem solving skill. We don't get that much of time because of the office work. Same happened to me, like I'm really out of touch for the competitive mode, and I will definitely take part in this event because it's been 4 years for me and I haven't took the part in any competitive challenge. So I am definitely going to join it, and I'm expecting you guys as well to take part in the big numbers. So guys, now it is the time to explain you about the event, and that event is basically Codex and Codex for her. That's why I mentioned there are going to be two categories for it, Codex and Codex for her. Codex for her will be dedicated for the women working professionals. So these will be the two categories for this coding challenge. Guys, link is in the description. Hurry up, registration date is going to close, so make sure you get yourself registered as soon as possible. So now let me just point out the important things for you. First thing is, what do I stand to get out of it? For all participants, get practice, get better, get guidance. Quality questions on key topics that feature commonly in interviews, like you will get that flavor, often asked question in interviews. Get better, performance analysis that lays out where you need to get better and how to get there. Counseling call to understand if and how Scalar can help you to improve on those gaps. You can take the help from the Scalar itself. For top performers, what will be there for you? Get rewarded, definitely the most important thing. Cash, scholarship, merchandise worth over 70 lakhs. Like this is pretty huge amount for all the participants, trust me. Get noticed, top rankers profile get circulated among their prestigious employer partners. Get guidance, top rankers get a mentorship session with the Scalar's founders or with one of their most experienced mentors from the Scalar Academy platform. Get access, top working professionals performers get direct entry into the academy program. Like if you're a working professional and you crack this event wonderfully, become a top ranker, you can get this opportunity to get a direct entry in their academy program. Next, for her, they have some exciting event and rewards planned exclusively for women coders as a part of Scalar Include, Scalar's program aimed at enhancing female participation in India's tech workforce. This is amazing, definitely a better and best opportunity for the female coders. Attend exclusive fireside chat with inspiring women techies as they share with their experience and learning on managing aspiration and expectation, breaking the glass ceiling and carving out their own path. Top working professional performers get sponsored scholarship from leading tech firms. the chance to get mentored by senior women leaders, and the chance to make a strong impression with potential employees. So this is definitely, I loved it, the Codex for her part, because it's a wonderful opportunity for the female coders to stand out and showcase their skills as well. And here is the amazing part, the rewards. My god, first ranker like 25,000, 70% scholarship, 1 month long exclusive externship. Wow, this is amazing. 20k for the second, 60% scholarship for third, 15k plus 50% scholarship, 4 to 10, 75 plus 40% scholarship plus exclusive fireside chat where you can have a chat with those elite engineers. 11 to 20, 5k plus 30% scholarship, 21 to 50, 2500 plus 20% scholarship, 51 to 100, 1k, 15% scholarship, and till the 1000, 20 lucky draw winners will be there to get the 30% scholarship. And here few more things are like top 3 rankers exclusive chat with their founder Anshuman Singh on accelerating your career, plus get a chance for your profile to be featured on Scalar handles across social media, and definitely it will be a best opportunity to get noticed by the recruiters as well. Top 20 rankers, your profile and performance will be shared with their various hiring partners to help you get the spotlight. Top 100 rankers exclusive Scalar merchandise. Top 1000 rankers certificate with national rank signed by Anshuman Singh, their founder. So that was the detail about the rewards and the category. But now main part, the timings and all. So duration of this challenge will be like 2 hours 30 minutes, and the timing will be competitive mode. It will start from the 9th April 8 p.m. to 8 p.m. 11th April. For the learning mode, same timings, but the end date will be 25th April. So these are the 2 modes. I talked about competitive mode and the learning mode. And here there is a small glimpse of the competitive mode and the learning mode. Feature on the leaderboard, stand a chance to win exciting rewards and get noticed by top recruiters in the tech ecosystem. In the learning mode, don't compete, because there your prime focus would be to get that feel, to get that learning curve for you to improve your problem solving skills. Instead, give the test for practice and to find out how you compare with our top contestant. Your performance won't be made public. That is the great thing, like your performance will be private to you. Whatever mistakes you made, what are the gaps, what are the things you need to cover, that will only be informed to you. Topics: aptitude, data structures, algorithm, and low level system design. So start practicing these subjects. Difficulty: 3 tiers of questions like easy, medium, and elite. Questions: MCQ, code completion and coding. Eligibility open to all. So that was the entire detail about this amazing coding challenge, Codex and Codex for her. So audience, don't miss this opportunity. It is a wonderful chance to showcase your problem solving skill, get those rewards, get noticed for the better opportunities. And I think it's been 4 years for me as well that I didn't touch upon the competitive programming side. I think it's a better opportunity for me as well to come out from that comfort zone of working in the professional life. So I'll also take part. I'm not sure I'll be taking part in competitive mode, but at least I'll be trying for the learning mode. So that was all about this video, guys. So link is in the description. Registration dates are about to close, so get yourself registered as soon as possible. And if you're new to the channel, then make sure to like this video, share it with your friends so that they can also take part in this challenge. And do subscribe to the channel and press the notification icon so that you are updated with all the latest videos on e-learning bridge. I'll see you guys very soon. Till then, just stay safe, stay home, take care of yourself and your family too.